Hello learners, very warm welcome to my channel. In this particular video, we will discuss 20 exact location type of questions. I have already made part 1 of this series. You can go through that video as well. And there I have discussed 15 exact location type of questions. So beginning up, first question here, location of heart. Heart is located between the two lungs above the diaphragm. Second question, mitral valve, also known as the bicuspid valve, present between left auricle and left ventricle. Third question, tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve is present between right auricle and right ventricle. Fourth question, aortic semilunar valve, present between aorta and left ventricle. Fifth question, pulmonary semilunar valve, present between pulmonary artery and right ventricle. So here I want to tell you that when you will go through the diagram in your book and you will see yourself and you will see the YouTube videos and understand the concept, then all learning the location of all these structures will become easier for you. Otherwise it will be very tough if you try to rectify it. So here I am giving only the list. I am not teaching it, so forgive me, pardon me. Continuing, sixth structure I have mentioned here, chordae tendineae. It is the structure which arises from the tips of papillary muscles and attaching it to the free margins of bicuspid and the tricuspid valve. So see here, this is the papillary muscle and these are the free margins of the tricuspid valve, and the papillary muscles are being connected to the free margins of the free margins of the tricuspid valve by the chordae tendineae. So if you see the diagram in your book, it will get really easy for you to understand. So you must see the other features as well. See, this is right auricle, this is right ventricle. The valve present between the two is tricuspid valve. This is left auricle, this is left ventricle. Valve present between the two is bicuspid valve. Now this is pulmonary artery and this is right ventricle. Valve present between the two is semilunar valve, pulmonary semilunar valve. Now here aorta and the left ventricle. The valve present between the two is aortic semilunar valve. So you go through the diagram, the things will get very much clear. Moving ahead, 7th question, sinoatrial node. It is present near the opening of superior vena cava. 8th question, atrioventricular node, a node which is present near the tricuspid valve. 9th question, guard cell. I have forgotten to mention guard cell in the previous video, so I am mentioning it here. Guard cell is basically the part of stomata. It is present in the epidermis surrounding the stomatal pore, or you can also call it stoma. 10th question, glomerulus. Glomerulus is knot-like structure of capillaries present inside the Bowman's capsule in renal cortex region, or you can say in the cortex region of the kidney. 11th question, PCT. PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Proximal convoluted tubule is a structure which is present near to the glomerulus or near to the Bowman's capsule or Malpighian capsule. So renal tubule located near the located in the cortex region of kidney near the Malpighian capsule. 12th question, loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is located in medulla region of the kidney connecting PCT to DCT. 13th question, Bowman's capsule, cup-like sac found in the cortex region of kidney. 14th question, kidney. Kidney is present on either side of the backbone. 15th question, vasa recta. Vasa recta is a capillary network running parallel to the loop of Henle. 16th question, pericardium. Pericardium is a covering which is present over the heart. 17th question, spleen. Spleen is a lymphatic node. It is a organ of the lymphatic system. It is present behind the stomach and above the left kidney. It is a blood reservoir. It contains lot of blood and provide the blood in emergency situations when there is shortage of blood in the body. Okay. 18th question, tonsils. Tonsils is also a lymphatic node. It is present in the kidney, in the neck region. 19th question, nephron. Nephron is what we have talked about. All these parts, glomerulus, PCT, loop of Henle, Bowman's capsule, all are the parts of nephron. There are millions of nephrons which are present inside the kidney. So their nephrons are present inside the kidney. Then I have mentioned 28th question, pyramids. Pyramids are present in the medulla region of the kidney. So here also, in order to understand the location of these parts, you have to go through the urinary system chapter of your syllabus, so go through it, it will become easier for you. I have mentioned these locations. You can either take a screenshot and note down in your copy, and I have also mentioned all these questions in the description box. You can note down from there. Thank you.